So then from there, what?
Houston bound, Houston bound.
What's your name? What's your application?
My name is Joe, and I don't work here. I just sleep.
Nice. That's a nice truck.
Dirty hands. Those are dirty hands right there, baby. Look at that, baby.
Put them
This
hands
is what
right
make
there.
these that money. 1.5 million a year, baby.
Sheesh. Hey.
What's up, amigos? This is your boy Jimbo, the boss from Team Amigo. We're right here at my shop, First Class Audio and Tint. We on the way to Houston. Hey, Joel, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living, Joel?
I sell cars. And I travel with Jimbo sometimes.
Hey, you know you're gonna have to beep that out, right? What you just said.
Oh damn! YouTube, don't ban me.
You're gonna have to beep it out. You're gonna have to beep that beep out right
What do you do for a living?
I eat ass.
Nice, that's a really good answer. It's a good answer.
God damn!
What do you do for a living?
Fuck. Go, 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 go. Straight, go, 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 more. Right there.
Nope. Ah, damn. What's up?
You go all the way to Houston. This is what we're gonna do. Light, crazy, but whole different look. Alright, stay tuned.
Boy, Jimbo. We got all the fucking bimbos out here.
You go all the way to Houston. This is what we're gonna do. Something light.
Come out again. It's your boy Jimbo. We got all the fucking bimbos out there waiting.
I don't know, we got a big subscribe, like the channel, brand new vlog.
My dad's coming this weekend.
Where's he at?
He's out.
Oh,
You have me already fucking having anxiety.
my boy Jimbo's having anxiety, but it's our first YouTube channel. Got this bad boy locked and loaded, Houston bound. We're over here starting our brand new YouTube. Start uploading already. This is the vlogs. You know the vibes.
Yeah, the boss from Team Amigo from El Paso, Texas. We're right now.
Nah.
Houston bound.
No, I had some stuff to do here at the shop.
Ready to go, baby. Ready to go.
If you ever need anything, hit me up. First Class Audio and Tint. 32.
God damn.
What are you doing, Joe? You still trying to strap that up, Joe? Look at me, bro. I did all three and he's already on the one.
What's up, Joanne?
What's going on?
Big bald head.
Talk to us.
Hey, don't stop that shit. Hey, Corey, just to laugh.
Yo, chill.
Joe, you like that?
Somebody fucking...
Where we at?
We're actually in El Paso, 7621 Alameda, area code 915. No, area code? No, that's bro. 799. That's zip code,
Well,
bro.
what's the zip code?
Who we got right?
Make sure you subscribe, bro.
Come on now.
Just left. We out here with my boy, light skin.
Ready. Got the truck hooked up. First stop, Havens. Houston.
Light show, baby. God damn.
It's gonna get stressful right now, amigo.
No shot. Come here. Damn, son.
Shout out to the boy over here at FTX. Come hit it up over here, Favens. Y'all know the vibes. Just got hooked up by the boy. Flip it. Sheesh. You know the vibes. It's fresh.
What's that smell?
What's that smell, Doofy? My ass
We're on the road right now. We got about a couple more hours left. San Antonio, we coming for you, baby.
God damn.
What time is it? What time is it?
I don't even know.
Amigo,
What
where we
up?
at? Where we at?
Fuck, I don't even know where.
We're over here. We're about to leave San Antonio. We're 2 hours and 30 minutes from Houston. Checking the straps, baby. That one's tight. She ain't going nowhere. Right? Right, Jimbo? Joe, where's she going?
What's up, baby? We ain't going nowhere.
We ain't going nowhere. Shout out your boy,
Joette.
for the, you know, they did an alright job, you know what I mean? Driving the 16-footer over here.
Joette with the big forehead.
Goddamn, look like a. Hey, you're driving back, big dog. You said San Antonio, 2 hours away from Houston. You're driving. Decent. Catch on a bit. Come here.
Nigga, fuck off.
You got the Bluetooth on.
Where we at?
We're going inside. We outside. I don't think I can record here, so I gotta go. Nicky Mickey. I thought this was Texas. Stop numero dos. Bucky's. Why are you scratching your butt, Joe?
Because I knew you was for the record, blood.
Yeah. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at?
Right here at Bucky's, you already know. Bucky's, you know.
Sure. You ever seen two fat Mexicans going to a Bucky's? Of course you have. It's Texas. Bucky's. I need me a blanket because it's hella cold. Goddamn Joe touching himself. Goddamn Buddha head ass boy. I mean, I'm fat too, but you know, it's funny to make the fat jokes when you're fat. Only if you're homies though. We going to, goddamn, are we going to the store or not? Damn it, I'm trying to get a blanket. I'm trying to get a blanket because it's cold. You know the vibes. This is mini bucks. It's a mini bucks.
You want a pig in a blanket?
I want a blanket. Let's go find it.
I got a pig in a blanket right here for you. You have a pig in a blanket?
Let's go.
There's the Boo Crew. Look at these motherfuckers.
Bitches are fucking $100.
No, I need a hoodie.
Pajamas.
I need a hoodie, bro. This does not look like a 2X. That does not look like a 2X.
That is not a 2X, bro. It's not like a small.
God damn it.
Oh, it is. Oh, what?
$20.
I'm tired. I need a nap, dog. Another one. Finally made it into H-Town with the boys.
We're coming to party.
We're coming to party, Joe.
We're here, baby.
Straight out the 915 all the way over here to Houston, Texas. You know the vibes. Over here with my boy Pedro, Speedy Headliners. Where we at?
Alright guys, right now we're in Houston, Texas at Speedy Headliners. We're gonna do a full custom interior on the vehicle behind us. Custom seats, custom headliner, custom everything.
The same shop that did a Freddie LSX truck. We get down best in probably whole Texas, honestly. But Big Boss is gonna get her redesigned. You want a kiss, right?
what's up? We came here to drop my truck off with Speedy's headliners to get my interior done. Peanut butter inside, outside jelly.
Outside jelly. Speedy's headliner straight out of Houston. You know the vibes.
He's kind of tired.
Just a driver.
He's just a driver who sleeps at the shop. That's what he said in the other video. Here. What's up, light skin?
What's good?
Straight out the 915, baby. Sheesh.
Record.
Right.
Bruh.
We just did something fast just to do it.
Steeler. That's the truck we're looking for here in Houston. That's what we want.
You mean the one like that one right there?
The one you didn't post me, I'm right there. You didn't post me. God damn it.
I feel a YouTuber, Jimbo. You need the energy.
I need to fix my girl. Let the guys my girl get on and fix nothing.
¿Se va a armar o no se va a armar la carnita asada? Vistos aquí en Speedy Headliners, hombre. Ya saben, aquí estamos en Houston, Texas. You know the vibes. Aquí estamos con el compita Jimbo, the boss.
What up? My boy Shaw.
Con el light skin. Ajá. ¿Qué estamos listos por una carnita, no?
Joe over here trying to body bag somebody.
Desde 915, baby. 915, El Paso, Chucotown, Texas. First class audio. Vamos para que se picame un pedacito.
Hermosa.
This one lit my finger.
Was a bozo.
¿Cómo se llama?
Ah, no, it's not that one.
Ahorita la carnita asada. Ay, papá. Va a ser nuestro cocinero el día de hoy.
¿Qué onda, viejo? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo bien?
You know the vibes. Aquí andamos, papá. No se agüiten. Algo bien aquí con los compitas de Team Amigo.
Just something like fucked up right here. So I gotta go like change it and fix a couple little details and ready for a 150 shot again. So it's fucked. The top of the block. The reason why they're so strong is because the top of the block, like in the water jets and stuff, it has more structure on the top than that structure right there.
Yeah.
It's a little bit more exposed. So that's why the LTs took it. Like I put 10 pounds of boost. Like it took it like a champ. Now nitrous, it took it like a champ. 450 with the turbo, and right now with a 150 shot, 500 something torque and 350 power. So like these V6s from a dead stop at the drag strip will take some damage. Like they'll damage people's emotions and shit. You know, I like the build. You know, it's fun. Nobody really fucks with it. That's why I keep it sounds like a They do two-step too because they sound more like a gunshot, like real gunshots. And like at the track, like a Mac.
Well, it's because you've been putting in work in the motor, huh?
All it needs is pistons, like rods and pistons, and I can fucking boost the shit out of it and beat a lot of people. I know that for sure. But like then they come across the fuel system. But like they say you can put like LT, like LS, like 6.2 injectors or 5.3 injectors to make it more. Like, you know, 454 might not have all the power that LS can do, but like, I mean, if you build it properly, yeah. But who can say they got a big ass block inside their truck?
Not a lot of people.
Everything's bigger in Texas.
Jeez.
I gave her some lip. It's running like a champ. I'll let somebody else drive it too. Yeah, you look real small on this thing. Yeah, I dropped this hose fucking hot. There's my little button right there. If you want to hit it.
That shit's always been my fucking favorite.
What, no
That
smoking?
no smoking?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it at?
Freddie actually inspired me back then when I used to look up to him. Just to do what you
I need
gotta-
power real quick.
Step on it if you want.
Damn. What tune does it have?
I got street tune from Horsepower Factory in Caesar. He tuned it.
Sick, dog.
Yeah.
That's lit. Bro, and it doesn't sound bad at all. It literally nice.
It just it's when people. No, it really doesn't. Like I try to hear it. Like I try to see if it really does sound like a shit like box. But like
you know how the
I mean, if
fucking-
it's right next to a like, it sounds nice and everything when it idles and when you rev the fuck out of it and when you drive it and you know you hear it. But like it sounds like shit when you put it next to a V8. Then and then I'm like fuck.
It doesn't sound like a 370. Like it sounds
It's more like a deeper
yeah.
tone. Yeah, that's why I don't mind it. And then when it gets a little bit annoying, I just put the stereo and that's it. Yeah, these like, that's why I want to race it at the track because they have a lot of torque.
That's what Houston's known for, huh? Free racing?
Yeah. People like did like during Texas 2K last year, like people don't care. The cops know what week is happening, and you know people don't like they don't care. They just bring more state troopers and like we don't care. Like we're still gonna do what we love, you know. I mean, there's a lot of stupidity that goes along with it, but they chose to do it, you know. So it's just you decide to get in the car, and, you know, you just go from there. Yeah, as soon as it hits second gear, that's when it starts really catching.
Yo.
Yeah, it sounds like
sick,
I like it. I like the
bro.
sound of a two-step more. It's redlining the fuck out of it, but this bitch takes it like a champ. I do it so many times, and it'll fuck it up for a good while. But like if you really fuck with it, you know?
It doesn't. It sounds being crazy loud.
Yeah,
It's drivable.
It's drivable. It's more like when you hear it, like it does that. Like it what's it called? It backfires a lot. Like I like that. And it sounds better than the V8. When it comes to two-step, it sounds V6s or 4 bangers. They just sound better when they're two-stepping. It sounds more like an actual gunshot. You seen the GTRs, bro? They're fucking insane.
Fucking crazy, dude. Nah, this shit is fucking sick. No cap, honestly.
It's just like the perfect daily. That's why I don't mind keeping her V6.
It's your little toy, bro.
And nobody like it's more funny when you beat somebody and you have
in a
V8
V6.
and you have
in a V6,
yeah,
bro.
and you don't really have a shitload of mods, and like they have so many mods and you're barely on their bumper or something. It's pretty cool. Oh, this is the 10th?
That's a 10.
Damn, this bitch is bad.
We just got it like 2 days ago. We literally pulled up to Jimmy, the boss, the actual owner.
Yeah.
Fucking, what do we need? And I was like, it's a 10, I guess. Oh, we need a mic, we need a holder. We're gonna do the Can-Ams because they do a lot of Can-Ams.
Yeah.
Oh, I need that strap so we can go. I was like, are you sure?
It's fun. I love GoPros. The only thing like fucking sucked is that I had my 8 GoPro and I went to Austin. I jumped off a cliff with the water and shit. It didn't even last, bro. Damn GoPro fucked up on me. As soon as I hit the water, it's better.
It's
And
honestly
it has
it's
the screen
lit.
in the front. That's what I like about it.
Just the battery sucks, bro.
Yeah, they do. Damn.
It was at 80% like an hour ago.
That don't look like shit. Don't worry, guys. I look better in person. Just like my truck.
Deadass, this truck looks sick. It's fast. It's quick. You can't underestimate the V6 until you're toe to toe with this truck. I swear, you can't even compare it. You can't.
58, but
pulls,
it's
bro.
okay.
It ain't much, but it's honest work. This thing is sick, bro. How does the system? Is it bump or what?
Oh yeah.
Or you tell me, what are you into?
I'm into everything. I'm a Gemini, so like we tend to like love everything.
We did it again. Verizon has been named America's most reliable network.
Savvy, you want some fajitas? Ready for some or what?
Yeah.
At these Houston trucks ain't no game, huh?
Hell no, shit.
Houston truck don't play games. That's what they say, no?
I would have got that first thing. You know what I'm saying? Hey, on cookies. Those are intros. Those are intros.
We can't afford this.
No. I go in the back and get the $10 cookies.
Yep. We gotta be doing the burnouts on the Street Logic tires. Jimbo?
What's up?
Looking good. What's up? Talk to me. How's Houston? You look tired. We're tired. Joe's tired. Joe's the same color of his shirt. Joe, why don't you got a shirt on? Damn it.
Long day.
It's a long day. I mean, we don't like to sleep. What is sleep? Sleep is for the weak. You know how it be like. It be like that sometimes.
We out here. We out here now. We tired though. This vitamin.
Can y'all give me a Gatorade? That's what I need.
Here,
I need a Gatorade. That's an Ultra.
Here's your Gatorade.
God damn, I need an Ultra.
The Fiat we saw on the board.
Nah. Hey, good morning, Kanye. So, I'll be honest with y'all. We left a couple hours ago, but I was like super sleepy and I didn't want to record. Like we literally got to San Antonio, drove from Houston to San Antonio. It was like late. We got there, fell asleep at 10. Got some Whataburger though. But it honestly did suck. We came here like at 4 in the morning and we're at 4 Stockton. The boy Sab and Joe that is still naked apparently. Put on a shirt, brother. And then you can't forget the Buc-ee's blanket because it's spooky season. Ooh. Damn, I should call her. Such a weirdo. You're such a creeper, dude. That's what Tone would say right now. No, I have a wife. I'm married. Creeper. Yeah. Team Amigo merch that he hasn't gotten me. I think that's fake.
You call it right now.
Look at Sam with the ones. Update. I haven't found anything I like at the gas station. Got my blanket though. It's cold and I bring a hoodie. But shit, what should I get? I would love a Red Bull, but like I'm on crack right now.
Come shopping with Team Amigo.
Don't at me, bro. I swear to God, if you don't fuck with Fiji, don't talk to me. Don't at me.
You wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go away. I think that's how it goes. I don't know.
Brand new whip, got no keys.
It just went straight through.
It did? Oh.
You guys are whack.
Wasn't it?
All right, going back home. Keep you updated when we get to El Paso, Texas, Chuco Town, the town of the Mexicans.
Gotta hit up Ray Chan's.
The good old town of the Mexicans. Made it. We're back. Team Amigo. That's my boy. Give Joe a kiss right here.
We just got back to my crib. Badass. Ready to go back. Back in a couple of weeks.
Ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll. Get back to reality. Go back to work. But stay tuned with the builds. Stay tuned with the Amigos. We got more crazy stuff gonna happen. Stay tuned with the channel. Team Amigo, baby. We got the little trucks right here. It's a little daily. Thanks for checking out the video. We had a great time in Houston. Like the boss said, peace out, take care. Stay tuned for the next one. Cheers!